Hello guys, this is the start of the building. This is a kit from Takom. It's the bit too. Let me show you guys. Oh, oops, right here. Okay, this is the fantastic bit too from Takom. Let me open more the plan. Yeah, like this. And this is 135 scale. This was from 2016, and I love the details on this model, so it's going to be for doing some tests with some colors, and let's see how it goes. Not besides what I'm going, the pattern I'm going to use, but I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show in the first video the first steps how to do this. So let's put this aside, and we got here the manual. So let's now go more like this. Okay, so here it is. We got here always, like I said, the ready for assembles, the cautions, the paint required. The paint required here it's from Mick Jimenez. How to apply the decals and removing the photo edge parts. Okay, this brings little ones a photo edge. So we got here the parts. We got two sprues of this, one of these, 1, 2, 3. So this is sprues. This is it's going on parts, and of course the photo edge parts and the decals you want to put right here. On this video we are going to assemble this step and this step too. So this is the first video. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the base of the rocket, and we got here some little pieces to glue. We got here the base. We got here the handles for the, I think this is a crane to rotate. I think it's like that. We got here on the four arms. We got here different on two pieces. It's the C65. We are going to be do on this is on the back, right? But I glue first these ones, and then I will go, and then when I got all on this base, I'm going to put these two pieces on that part. All the handles we got here for the crane I'm not going to put now. Okay, these parts always when we are using to primer to make all the paint works, it's going to broke. It's very easy to broke. So I will paint this aside and I will put this at the end. It's more easier. And then on this video we are going to do like this. On the next videos we are going to do the 5 steps. Okay, it starts in making the V2 bomb, and as you can see it's really easy, but we are going to like the details on this one. So we got here two assembles, the painting schematics, I'm sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we got 5 different. We can go on these ones too. So on this video, if you I'm going to put, and then I'm going to assemble. So if you guys want to see any of the schematics, so just say and let's see. But maybe I will go with this one. I like this one because the colors are faded and it's a nice thing to test. So we got the metallic, we got all the colors of this one. The first on my eyes it's this one, but this one I'm going to make with the in a diorama with the Enomac 100 I have. It's a kit from mini art from Takom, but I am going to do this one. Okay, so let's go and just wait for the second video, and then we are going to have the videos from the painting and all the weathering I'm going to make. So I'm going to paint and weathering. The paint it's going to be like came out of the factory, but the weathering it's going to be real hard because I'm going to make this on abandoned place. So just wait for the videos. Okay, so let's start the building. Let's go. Alright, we came to an end of the building. The kit, it's have some issues to put the foot of this, the stands. It's not too much easy because we just have one point here to glue, and in some of these parts it's loose. Okay, it's not glued in any part, so you just glue on that real point. The rest it's easy. It's not so easy to use this in the inside of the round pieces, but I use my citadel, and I hope you guys like the use I used to do this. And I like a lot of this Tamiya knife because the blade, it's in angle and it's good for me to cut some parts. Right, the cutter I use, okay, it's the Tamiya one. It's fantastic. My tweezers, normally I use this one, and of course I got the other ones from Tamiya. This is more rigid, and I like to use a lot of these ones from Master Tools because of the point. It's really nice, and this is one is cheap and this is very more expensive. Okay, I use the CMK sandpapers, and this one is from Vallejo. It's good a lot. As you can see on the video, I use one time the Havel glue, and it's not good for this because you want this plastic. It's very soft and it's very easy to work, so you don't need heavy duty glue. So for this one it's better the Tamiya extra thin because it's going in every groups of the model and it helps a lot. So if you have any issues, just send me. Of course, this is the parts I not put there. It's the handles of the crane, and it's going to be at the end because it's better for me not to break. And at the end it looks nice, and like we put here, let me see, okay, and it's have a nice rotation. So far the kit is good. So guys, just wait for the next videos, and I hope you like it. Bye guys.